Y'all, having this camera out is hella awkward, okay? Oh girl, I look a mess. But hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are about to have a little maintenance thing going on. Y'all, I done moisturized and I did my little routine for the morning. And now I'm about to go get my eyebrows, lashes, and nails done, and my feet done. I might get my lashes done. That would be my first time, and I kind of want to do like a separate video on that. I'm not too sure. But you guys, we about to go to Tulum, and that's why I'm prepping and I'm getting it all done today. I already gave myself like a little pre-facial, and I threw on my shades because I ain't got no makeup on and your girl look crazy. So yeah, I got my niece here. She's rushing me because we're trying to leave. Say hi guys and welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Aw, she's so cute. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you with me, and I just want you to enjoy the music and enjoy the vibes.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Alright you guys, so I just finished my brows. I look crazy because I ain't got my makeup on. Yes, I'm gonna sit here and say that. But yeah, I think she did a pretty okay job. I mean, I usually like it more arched, and I was thinking that this was way higher than that one. But nothing a little bit of makeup can't fix. Yeah, I'm working on my dark circles. This is why I don't come on here without makeup. But anyways, I'm about to throw on my shades and walk out of here, you guys. And yeah, I'm about to go get some food. I really like my nails, and I like my feet, and I like my brows. Even though, I know, girl, I know what you're thinking. But I think they're decent. Normally they always jack me up, but she did an okay job, guys. I'm about to get some food. I'm gonna go home and change real quick, and then we're gonna get some food. And then I'm still debating on my lashes, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. I need to do my hair, get ready, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Y'all, having this camera out is hella awkward, okay? It's super awkward being at the airport with a camera to your face like you some type of celebrity or something. I don't want nobody to think that. I'm just doing a vlog for the girls. But we about to get on this plane in about 50 minutes or so. I tried to get a seat where like no one sits at. Like I'm literally sitting at another gate, but I can see my gate, and now it is filled with people. I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes. It was like nobody here, and little by little it just started getting filled up with people, and I'm so mad right now because I thought I was gonna sit here by myself. Anyways, girls, I got some Chipotle. I got the Chipotle back by my house. It's just a chicken, guacamole, brown rice, and I got beans with the brown rice, and what else? Corn, spicy salsa. Yeah, because I didn't eat all day, so I decided to get something to eat on the plane. If you didn't know, you can take food on the plane with you. No matter where you're going, you can take food with you. So that's lit, okay? I'm always bringing some type of food, Jamaican food, Haitian food. Just try not to bring no fish, all right? But anyways, guys, I'm gonna just eat this food real quick, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sis, subscribe, okay? Just hit that notification bell right after you subscribe, and just subscribe. It don't, you know, it don't hurt to subscribe. But anyways, guys, let's go. Let's get to Tulum and travel with me, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, so I just boarded my second flight for today, and the first one was really smooth. It was about 5.5 hours, and now I'm on my second plane going to Tulum, well, going to Cancun, and then I'm taking a cab to the Airbnb. You guys, this plane is huge. It's like mad big, y'all. This is my second time on a plane like this. When I was going to London, I was on a huge plane like this. Like, it's like one of those planes that has three sections. It's really dope. Am I afraid of flying alone? No, I'm not. I'm really enjoying some solo time right now, and you know, I don't got nobody next to me. It's lit. Let me show you guys a little view of the plane. Hold on. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. Tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you without you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had this place on earth, and I'll take you there. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had this place on earth, and I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet.